If you are looking more for an overview of the spreadsheet and how it helps you to be organized for building your own house, or if you're a custom builder building houses, see part one for an overview of the spreadsheet. This is more of a series, so we're going through item by item here. So the next item here is going to be project insurance. So you can see here that in the summary, it's got 7940 here. We'll move right down here to the detailed tab here, which is right in here, project insurance, 7940. You can see where that's coming from, and this is where you would detail it out. Now, before I move into that, I actually did want to cover a little bit of the planning phase part of it. I don't think I covered that in the last video, not all of it anyway. I wanted to also mention, go through and just real quickly touch on some of these other items here. So in your planning phase, you've also got your permits, your building permit, mechanical permit, plumbing, electrical, all that stuff. It's right up in here. You just put those, what the costs are for all those permits there. Your design services, like, if you're paying like an architect to design your blueprints and all that, that's where that would be. Survey, we talked a little bit about, and that's where that goes. Your lot costs go right up in here. Your construction financing, the origination fee is right up in here. The interest, so here you can put your APR. You can update that to whatever you need to here. This will take it into account here, and then use it for your cash draw and all that. You can put your appraisal fee and your doc prep. These are all whenever you're part of the construction financing. Your attorney's fees, your title insurance, all that you can put in here. Okay, now let's quickly move now to the project insurance part of it, which is, so we mentioned up here, that's here at 7940. Here you can see 7940 right in this area here, so that's where it's coming from. Now this is where you cover all your insurance. So like if you're, if you have any building risk insurance, project liability insurance, workman's comp insurance, performance bond, payment bond, project insurance, miscellaneous. This is where you can input all of those types of insurances right up in here. Now, and then when you move over here to this part over here, you can see the project insurance is right here in the red. You can see it right over here. It's about 3% for the project insurance. It just kind of helps you understand, okay, like, what impact is this having on the overall cost, so that's what this graph is helping you see. Now the schedule, when you move over here to project insurance, you'll see similar items here. So you've got your building risk insurance, and then this is where you kind of know, okay, when do I need to get that? So and according to this schedule that we have set up here, see part one, by the way, if you need an overview on how to set up this spreadsheet, the schedule here, and kind of how that works. But for this one, you can see that the builder's insurance, probably need to be getting that around 7 March to 12 March, somewhere in there. Similar for all the other ones, the project liability, workman's comp, performance bond, project insurance, all that. You want to be getting that somewhere around this time frame. And then you can see that those are right over here in the Gantt chart if you'd like to look at it graphically. So this, this tells you in a table, a text type idea, okay, for each line item, what day do I need to be working on each line item? That's what you get over here on the left side. On the right side, it's more of a graphical type depiction. It's a Gantt chart if you're familiar with those. And then over here on the step-by-step, and by the way, the orange cells, that's all you input here. You input here, and then these dates are automatically updated for you. But anyway, when you go to the step-by-step over here, you can see that for the insurance, you can see it's right in this area here where it's saying, okay, it's taking the last day there, 12 March. And it's letting us know, okay, I need to be paying about $79.40. That's coming from our cost tab. That's automatically being put there for us. But it helps us to see, okay, for my cash draw, like how much am I going to be paying and when? Well, okay, so on 12 March you'll be paying about $79.40 to get all of your insurance. And this is part of the step-by-step checklist. All right, for that. So. And also this is going to update on your cash draw schedule over here. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it for this part of it, where we're talking about the planning portion. And in the, in the project insurance portion. And so, yeah, we'll move on to the next part in the next video. Thanks.